In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix E503 L1 Steam error. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different fixes what we can try. So I'm going to start with the most common fix first, and that is to check the Steam server status. So now to do this is to come on over to Google or Yahoo, whatever your preferred web browser is, and just simply type in Steam server status. Now check on any one of the top results and make sure that Steam is actually online and not offline, because sometimes it's not you, it's them. If it is Steam, just basically wait it out. Now the next fix is to restart Steam, and we need to do this properly. So just don't close the window. What we want to do is open Task Manager. So right click on your Windows key, go to Task Manager here, and then once it opens up, we want to go ahead and end task. So go ahead and click onto Steam. So anything that has Steam in it, and go ahead and click on end task. And then once we've done that, we want to go ahead and run Steam as administrator. So open up Steam, click on run as administrator, and then click onto yes to allow the necessary permissions. Next fix is to restart your internet. So a shaky connection can trigger that E503 L1 error. So restart your modem or router, or if you're on Wi-Fi, try switching between Ethernet or vice versa. Now, if we got any proxies or VPNs running in the background, Steam basically hates unstable routing. So just go ahead and turn VPNs. They can be NordVPN, Proton, etc. And to disable proxies, we can go ahead and click in the settings. So type in settings. Then from here, click onto network and internet. Click onto VPN and just go ahead and disable them inside of there. Now, next fix is to go ahead and clear Steam download cache. So this can fix corrupt data. So reopen up Steam. We want to go ahead and click onto settings, then download. So downloads. And then from here, click on clear download cache. Click on confirm. And that's going to restart Steam. And now also allow Steam through file. So Windows can basically block Steam services. So to do this, just go ahead and click into control panel. Then from here, click into Windows Defender Firewall, or just type in firewall or search. So Windows Defender Firewall here, and then allow an app or feature through Windows Defender. Go ahead and make sure and allow Steam. Make sure both private and public are checked as well. So scroll down, find Steam, and yeah, make sure that are checked, private and public. So here we go. So all those Steams, private and public. Now, if you're still getting these issues, I suggest reinstalling Steam. Just go to add or remove programs, and then find Steam. So apps, installed apps. Type in Steam, probably be the quickest way. I'll make sure you type it in the right field. Steam, not stream. Here it is here. So go ahead and uninstall it, and then go back to Steam. Go ahead and download Steam and reinstall it.